Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, Div Sound Studio. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, it is yet another product review. So, without any further delay, let's get started. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And if you already subscribed, thanks a lot, and give that big thumbs up if you like my videos. And in today's video, it is going to be a product review, which I am super obsessed and oh my god, I'm super excited to share this product review with you guys because this is like I was obsessed to buy this product from a very long time. When it comes to makeup, base products are a very important and a key ingredient or a key product in your makeup look. So likewise, I am not a very cakey or a very heavy makeup person. I always love concealer only makeup kind of makeup. So I'm super obsessed with all the types of concealers. I would love to try them on, and I don't like that every foundation look is always the super light concealer looks. So I always love to try out new concealers and see how it really works for us, and particularly dark skin, dry skin, and so many problematic skins. So let's get into the video first. Yes, it's going to the Huda Beauty concealer. Oh my god, finally I got this. Video it is going to be a Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer review, and it is the most hyped product of all in the beauty industry. So let's check out if the hype is true or it's worth buying. And okay, let's get to the product. So this is how the product looks like. This is the outer packaging, and you have this Overachiever concealer. It has 10 ml of product, and it retails for 2,520 rupees, 2,520, and this is in the shade Butterscotch, and it's made in Italy. And yeah, so this is the outer packaging, and let's get into the inner packaging. This is how the inner packaging looks like. It's super cool. You can see the product's perfect shade here. So this is Butterscotch 28G, and this is how the product looks. It's a very nice tube packaging, very sturdy, very cute and handy to use, and as you can squeeze up, it's very hassle free to use it. And if you just get onto it, and yes, you have this kind of steel applicator. As soon as you keep this applicator here, I mean, you feel like it's so cool, and it just, oh my god, the feeling is extraordinary. I never expected something like this, and I've never seen anything like this before. You could see normal tube packaging, doe foot applicator, or a brush applicator. Only these are the types. Or you would have seen a sponge applicator in Maybelline and Swiss Beauty as well. But this application is something like a therapy kind, even in makeup. Oh my god, she must have thought a lot on it, right? Now I can understand why this is 2,520 rupees. I love it. I love it. Of course, you cannot expect a product which has this good quality can retail for a very low rate, which is our international brand. I totally agree with it, but the point is, like, when it comes to affordability, when you want to just try out the product so desperately, I don't think it can be affordable. I think on the base makeup products, at least, not on lipsticks or not on eyeshadow palettes, I think she has to get down on prices, at least with the foundation and the concealers. I think it would be really useful for the low budget or affordable users. I personally feel that should happen with Huda Beauty. Recently I had also reviewed a Swiss Beauty concealer, but can you believe it? It just had like 4 ml of product, and this has 10 ml of product. So can you calculate the amount price of the Swiss Beauty if it had 10 ml of product? So something like 750 rupees is actually a normal product which you can, but this is like into 3 times, so it's kind of a little on the expensive side still. But for the product's quality, I think you can pay this amount and try to get this kind of products when it is on offer. I personally feel like Nykaa has very good offers for Huda Beauty products occasionally. Keep track on it and check on it, and just buy it if you really want to own this product. I always had an eye on this product, and I really wanted to try out, so finally I got this. So yeah, get on to the we went out of track a lot, so let's get on to this. Yeah, This is a really nice applicator. I love the way it looks. It's a bit clumsy because I used it just now, and can you guys believe it? This look was created only with Huda Beauty's concealer. I haven't applied foundation at all. No, for no foundation, just the concealer. It is damn super good. I actually shot almost 4 videos with the same look, but nothing has really happened. It is not creased. It no smile lines, no smudging, no smile lines, and I think it's super good. It's perfect for the eye coverage, look. I think you cannot get a better product than Huda Beauty. And let's come to the shade, and the shade is bit again orangish and a bit darker for my skin, but I had to work with another little lighter. This is how it looks. It's like it appears to be like a perfect match to my skin, but there is a little, it blends like a dream. Can you see where the concealer is? Oh my god, this is such a good product. I love it. It's so creamy. It is not drying. She has worked like world-class product. Absolutely agreed. I love it, and I will surely repurchase it if it's affordable for me, and I would be surely tracking on the offer whenever the Huda Beauty products are on offer. I surely flick. You want to know the claims, I will surely read them for you. They do have an ingredient list on the outer packaging, and yeah, high coverage creamy concealer, intense pigmentation, camouflages and conceals, powered with skincare actives. So it has a 10 ml of product and retails for 2,520 rupees, and I'm in the shade Butterscotch. They do have a pretty good decent shade range. They do have around 20 shades to match all the skin tones, and I love it. And the consistency of the product is really too good. It's long lasting, high coverage, and I think it's best for the whole day makeup look. It is not creasing. It doesn't smudge. I love the way it is, and it does not oxidize at all. It's like, oh my god, I'm just overwhelmed about this product. That's it about the Huda Beauty liquid overachiever concealer. I love the texture. They are not very runny, they are not very creamy. Perfect consistency for a concealer, and as well as they blend in so well. The application is so smooth. You can do it with a sponge or a brush. It's absolutely fine to use any one of it. I actually blended with brush. I really got a very good result applying it with the brush, because the sponge absorbs too much of products. I personally feel that the brush really blended in so well. I love it. This would be my top favorite concealer if so. Oh my god, I don't have any product which can beat this like right now. So star of concealer, it's Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. I'm in the shade Butterscotch. Peanut butter, I don't think it can go with NC45. It would be a little more lighter, but butterscotch is a perfect match for us. I just added 1 drop of lighter concealer to just give that little highlighted look. Otherwise surely it would go. And I don't think you need a foundation if you don't really have hyperpigmentation and all that stuff. You really have a good skin, then this concealer would sort out all your problems. You don't need any other product like foundation, that and this correctors. No, nothing at all. I think this one product can work magic on your skin, and you're ready to go in 2 minutes. I think 2 minutes. Yeah, you heard me right, 2 minutes. I just concealed my face using this product in just 2 minutes. I was up and ready. I hope this review must have been useful on this Huda Beauty Liquid Concealer Overachiever Concealer. I'm in the shade Butterscotch. This retails for 2,520 rupees, and it has 10 ml of product, and it is a super duper product. I love it, and surely if you can afford it, try out and see. If you are a concealer lover, you'll surely love it. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. And until next time, Azivia signing off.